Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to make a smooth pap from scratch using simple corn flour. Stay tuned, let's dive into this video. So first I add water until the water is filled up. So I soaked it for 2 days. Soaking it for 2 days allow the natural bacteria on the corn to ferment it slightly, and it gives the corn a nice sour taste. If you know the traditional flavor. So after 2 days, so I blend it. You can see the blender. I blend it until it is smooth, but not that smooth. The blender couldn't make it that smooth as I wanted. So after that, I put it inside the cheese cloth and I started washing it this way. This way is better for me. I did it the other way around, but it will make your kitchen, it will mess up your kitchen. But putting it inside this bag and zip it, and you put it inside any container you have or any bowl, allow water to rush on it, then you wash it very well. So after washing it to your own satisfaction, as for me, I added another water in a bowl and I wash it properly until it becomes like this, like so dry, and I rinsed it again with the fresh water. I'm telling you, this is a long process that you need to go through before you get a smooth and a nice pap. But if you're making in a big batch, it deserves it. Then you have to pass all the water through this cheese cloth to squeeze out all the chaff, to make sure there's no chaff remaining on the pap. Then the next thing, you put all the pap together and you cover it for some hours for the water to settle. So after that, you discard the water and you pour in the pap in a cheesecloth. But here I doubled the cheesecloth. I made sure that I used two. I doubled it. So after that, I poured it inside it. Then I have to tight it and then place a heavy object on it for the water to drain very well. Maybe you can leave it for the whole night. Then the next day, you are good to go. Your pap is ready. Achieving a fresh pap like on your own gives a great joy, because if you're in diaspora, you know that there is no place you will get a fresh pap except the one you made by yourself. And now your pap is ready to be consumed. Serve it hot with sugar or honey and add evaporated milk if you like it creamy. You can enjoy it with akara, puff or moi moi, or even on its own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, follow and share for more. See you next time in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.